Hey guys, I wanted to go ahead and talk to you about this Vmont 300 series USB hub. Now, this is the box that it came in, the instruction booklet, and this is what it looks like, okay? Super small. It's only about 6 inches long, 6 inches long, and it stands about an inch tall. Now, before, when I would use my laptop, I only have 3 USB hubs. So I've got one here and then 2 on this side. And before, I'd have to go ahead and plug one in, take one out, plug it in, plug it out. When I needed to use my second screen, which is here on my laptop, or if I needed to go ahead and use the USB for... Okay, went ahead and opened my laptop. Sorry about that. So when I needed to go ahead and actually take out, let's say I wanted to take off my my second screen and I needed to go ahead and plug in my external drive, or, like the small scan disk, I'd only have so many ports. And so one was always being occupied by my wireless mouse, which you can see moving there, on this side. So this one was always used. And then I only had 2 on this side. So I went ahead and got me, this little guy that has seven USB, adapters. So each one of them has an on and off button that you can go ahead and actually push. So if you're not wanting something to be on constantly, you don't have to have it on. Such as like this one's for my 10 terabyte hard drive. I don't want it on constantly, so I'm always going to leave it off. And then when I need to turn it on, because I'm going to be using it, well, then I'll turn it on. So anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and show this to you so you can see that it does have like on and off buttons to be able to go ahead and use. And super excited because it's going to help me to be more efficient, and I don't have to keep pulling on all the wires and then taking everything off and on, in and out of these ports, which could potentially, after a while, doing that so much could damage them. So, very excited!